Welcome to the exciting world of 1,000 Vlogs.
Grabe, di man. Yan ang buhay.
The Great Ocean Road is a stunning 243-kilometer coastal drive in Victoria, Australia, renowned for its breathtaking scenery, iconic landmarks, and rich history. The Great Ocean Road stretches along the southeastern coast of Australia, connecting the towns of Torquay and Allansford. This scenic route is famous for its dramatic coastal views, including the 12 Apostles, limestone formations, and lush rainforests. It is considered one of the world's most beautiful drives and is a significant tourist attraction in Australia. Constructed between 1919 and 1930 by returned soldiers, the Great Ocean Road is the world's largest war memorial. Dedicated to those who lost their lives in World War I, the road was built to provide work for returning servicemen and to improve access to the rugged coastline, which was previously only reachable by sea or rough bush tracks. The Great Ocean Road is not just a drive, it's an experience filled with natural beauty, adventure, and history. Whether you're interested in surfing, hiking, or simply enjoying the stunning coastal views, this iconic route offers something for everyone. Plan your trip to explore this remarkable part of Australia. Best time to visit. While the Great Ocean Road is beautiful year-round, summer December to February offers the best weather for driving and outdoor activities.
In the car.
Didn't get the food yet.
Kindly subscribe for more exciting vlogs. Driving itinerary, many travelers choose to take a few days to explore the area, allowing time for stops at various attractions, scenic viewpoints, and local eateries. A typical itinerary might include stops in Torquay, Lorne, Apollo Bay, and Port Campbell. Getting there, the Great Ocean Road is about a 1-hour drive from Melbourne, making it easily accessible for day trips or longer excursions. Renting a car is highly recommended for the best experience. Make sure to subscribe and leave a comment down below saying I subscribe, and we will try our best to reply to you. Experience the rugged beauty along the southwest coast of Victoria by setting off along one of the world's most scenic coastal drives. The spectacular Great Ocean Road hugs the seaside cliffs that snake along the wild and wind-swept Southern Ocean. The striking vistas along the iconic road evoke awe with craggy cliffs, empty beaches, and soaring bluffs flanked by brilliant green countryside. Add epic surf, native wildlife, unforgettable hiking and biking trails, and you will find plenty of things to see and do around every curve. Key attractions, 12 Apostles. These iconic limestone stacks rise majestically from the Southern Ocean and are a must-see for visitors. Loch Gorge, a stunning natural formation with a rich shipwreck history, offering beautiful views and walking trails. Great Otway National Park, home to lush rainforests, waterfalls, and diverse wildlife, this park provides excellent hiking opportunities. Surfing beaches. The road is famous for its surf spots, particularly at Bells Beach, known for hosting the world's longest strutting surf competition. Have you been to Melbourne, Australia? What was your experience? Let us know in the comments section below. We are now walking towards the majestic The 12 Apostles. The 12 Apostles are iconic limestone stacks located along the Great Ocean Road in Victoria, Australia, known for their stunning natural beauty and geological significance. The 12 Apostles are a collection of limestone stacks situated off the shore of Port Campbell National Park. Despite their name, there are currently only 7 remaining stacks, as erosion has caused some to collapse over the years. The formations were created through the erosion of soft limestone by the harsh conditions of the Southern Ocean, resulting in caves, arches, and eventually isolated stacks that rise up to 65 meters to 113 feet high. Geological formation. The limestone that forms the 12 Apostles was deposited around 15 to 5 million years ago during the mid-late Miocene period. The stacks are remnants of cliffs that have been eroded over millions of years, with the process still ongoing. The area is characterized by dramatic coastal scenery, including sheer cliffs and beautiful beaches. Location. The 12 Apostles are located approximately 3 hours southwest of Melbourne along the Great Ocean Road, making them a popular stop for tourists. Best viewing times. Sunrise and sunset are considered the best times to visit, as the light beautifully illuminates the stacks. However, visiting early in the morning can help avoid crowds. Activities. Visitors can enjoy various activities, including scenic helicopter flights over the Apostles, self-guided walks, and exploring nearby attractions like Loch Gorge and the Gibson Steps. The 12 Apostles Visitor Center provides information and facilities for tourists. Thank you for watching. Nearby attractions. The Great Ocean Road offers a wealth of other attractions, including Loch Gorge, a site of historical shipwrecks and stunning coastal views. Gibson Steps, access to the beach and views of the Apostles from below. Port Campbell National Park, home to various other limestone formations and scenic walks. The 12 Apostles remain one of Australia's most celebrated natural landmarks, drawing visitors from around the world to experience their breathtaking beauty and the rugged coastline of Victoria. Please like, share, and subscribe.